Hey everyone! Alrighty, it is finally time that I'm doing my BOXYCHARM for this month. And honey, it just came in today. It is, what is today, girl? It is June 21st. Honey, this came late. Honey, this came late. It's the first time my box has ever come this late ever in my life that I've had this. So I finally have my BOXYCHARM. I'm sorry it's taken me forever, but honey, it was not my fault. Low-key, this kind of sucks because this month's box was something that I was personally very excited about, and it came in so late. So yeah, we're gonna do my BOXYCHARM today. I'm very excited about this. As you can see, let me get this note out here. We get the cute little pamphlet again. I actually like these more than I like the other ones. I feel like I'm like off-centered. I'm off-centered, kinda. And it's Caribbean Queen. And look at Kathleen right here. Oh, so cute. What about? These are all beautiful. Wow. Okay, so we have a whole bunch of awesome stuff in this box that I'm very excited about because I obviously don't care about not having sneak peeks. And yeah, let's get into it. One of the things that I was very excited about is that we got 3 full-size LUXIE brushes. You guys know LUXIE brushes is actually one of my favorite brands of brushes. And this is the 3-piece flawless complexion. So you get a precision foundation face brush, you get a tapered highlight face brush, and you get a dual fiber powder brush. Oh, this is $42 for 3. And these are expensive, you guys. So already with the brushes, you're already getting your bang for your buck, honey. The precision foundation brush, I personally would use this for like setting the under eye, honey. The tapered highlight, I feel like it's kind of big for this, so I would use this for like blush. And then this is the dual fiber powder, which I would use this for like cream contouring or like, you know, powder contouring. I really like this more for like contouring aspects, so you can use the brushes for whatever the hell you want. I'm bringing you guys yellow. I love yellow. Yellow fits me very well. Thank you so much. So that's already $42. These are obviously synthetic brushes, which are hypoallergenic, and they're vegan and they're cruelty free as well. The next thing I was super excited about this palette, you guys. We got this palette over here that matches me. This is the ALAMAR Cosmetics Reina del Caribe eyeshadow palette volume 1, which is inspired by the beauty and culture of Cuba, the birthplace of ALAMARs. So you get 8 intensely pigmented shades ranging from delicate shimmers, high shine metallics, and matte. Look at these shades, honey. Look at these shades. Tell me that is not like, it just speaks to you. Doesn't it speak to you? I love it. I'm gagging. She did that, okay? And this is made by Gabby. Gabby is Kathleen Light's makeup artist friend, and she was the one who made the brand, and this is their first product as well as some brushes, and this is $20. The next thing you get is Baddington lashes. These are Monroe 3D Silk Mink lashes. What are these, girl? These ain't 3D mink. What is this? This is like natural ass lashes. Now when I think mink lashes, I think like this. Okay, these are my Cake Crease Beauty lashes. Or like this. These are my Lily lashes. My New Balance lashes. Come on. This is like a baby lash, girl. What am I doing with these? These are a pass for me, personally. How much are these? These are $28, girl. They're silk lashes. You know, I'm happy that they brought lashes, but I don't fit these lashes myself, so I wish they were like a little bit more voluminous and long. Next thing you get is this Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, which is a fast absorbing body cream. Helps tighten and smooth like no other, honey. I've heard everything about this thing, so I want to smell it. You know what? I haven't added moisturizer. I've only toned, so I'm going to add this to my face. That's for your body, but my face is about my body, bitch. The next thing in the box is the Jaunty Bleu. Jaunty Bleu, okay? I took French, bitch. And dark brown. It's an eyeliner. It's $5. And what is this? Last thing in the box is the Ofra Lasting Liquid Lipstick. And this is in the shade Verona. I love Ofra liquid lipsticks. Ofra liquid lipsticks are one of my favorite type of liquid lipstick like formula, so I'm very excited about this one. And this is $21. So basically you pay a lipstick, you pay the box. Okay. I'm very excited about this box. I'm obviously not going to use those lashes. We're not gonna do that, okay? But we're gonna get into the eyes, and yeah. Before we get started, let me let you know. Subscribe down below, okay? Subscribe, like this video. You know, I'm coming at you late, but that was not my fault, homegirl. It was not my fault, homegirl, okay? So I've been using my ColourPop concealer to basically prime my eyelids. I am taking the light shade of this primer for the eyes because I feel like this really helps with helping with the eyeshadows be extra pigmented. You guys know I actually do not set the eyelids because I just feel like it's unnecessary. Get a little tacky and dry just a tad so it's not super wet. And we're gonna go in with the palette. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm excited as fuck. I'm gonna take the color Coco Taxi right there as my first sensational. I want to be like awake and springy and okay. Have you guys been watching any of the YouTube Red series? I've been currently watching Escape the Night. I think it's definitely my favorite of the bunch. Ava's show, and then I've been watching a whole bunch of the documentaries like Gigi's, Demi Lovato's, Katy Perry. I watch all the Katy Perry ones because I honestly love Katy Perry. I'm going to take the color Tropical. There is a slight bit of fallout with this palette, but it's not crazy or anything. Right underneath here. Oh, how pretty. I feel like there's a song called Coco Taxi. If I'm mistaken, I'm sorry, but I feel like there is a song called Coco Taxi. It reminds me of like a nice pina colada, or not a pina colada, I don't know, like a nice summer beautiful drink that you can just drink and drink and drink and drink, honey. Now to deepen everything a little bit more, I'm gonna take the color Guantanamera. Is that song? I'm living. I like it a lot. I'm gonna take Celia Chia, which is this more like green blue color. I'm gonna take a little bit of Varadero. Take the shade Cafecito right down here, and I'm gonna go in with the inner outer corner, kind of making it a little bit chocolate. Hi everyone, I did the other eyeshadow and pretty much my foundation, concealer, and now I'm baking. I did my brows off camera as well, and I didn't do any powder where I'm going to cream contour. And the way I'm cream contouring is because I kind of want to use this brush for it. It's the dual fiber powder brush. So I'm going to use my Tartist cream contour, which is the color shade. She's shady. Okay. I think I might use this for actual powder contour as well because it says fiber powder. But I'm going to do this first. So I'm just going to go here and I'm just going to build this up. I've been watching like all these makeup artists, like actual makeup artists videos. Priscilla Ono, Makeup by Mario, Makeup by Ariel videos. I was watching, what was I watching? Sir John, which is Miss Beyonce's makeup artist, okay? The way that they speak about makeup is the way that I feel about makeup. Like, it's, I love it. I love the way they talk. I love how people express themselves. Escape the Night. If you guys don't have YouTube Red, what are you doing? Get YouTube Red because it's really good. And I was watching Escape the Night, which is Joey Graceffa's show. And he is on season 3 right now. And Manny and Colleen and a whole bunch of my favorites. Rosanna is on it right now. I am obsessed. I'm actually gonna take the same palette and I'm gonna take Sculpt, which is the powder. I'm gonna take the same brush. Come on, makeup away. I'm gonna take the tapered highlighter brush and I'm gonna use my janky old musty dusty Kat Von D one, and I'm just gonna use this to kind of blend a little bit more on this. Then I'm gonna add some blush as well. So far I already know I love LUXIE brushes, so this isn't news for me that I love these because I gag. I like to add dimension to my blush, so I'm also gonna take the Take Me Home Duo blushes from Patrick. I'm just gonna add a little bit of both. Now what I'm gonna use is I'm gonna take the Precision foundation and I'm gonna start removing her. So now I'm gonna set my skin with the Pure Miracle Mist. What is this? Heat Wave? Heat Wave highlighter. The eyeliner from Jaune de Bleu in dark brown to line my lash line. Just a little lower as well. And I'm going to take Cafecito and I'm going to blend it out. I'm going to take ALAMAR and I'm going to go on the outside of this. And then for the inner corner, I'm going to take the color La Costa. So at this point, I would usually go ahead and apply lashes. The lashes that did come in the box are these Baddington lashes. These are not my style. I don't think they will show up on me. So I'm going to give these away and I will come back with other lashes on. Okay, if we're gonna be real, I just used that eyeliner pencil because I thought it would be cute as a lip liner. And then this is my lip. The Ultra Lip, honey. The last lip color that I used, I don't remember what lip color it was. The Ultra one. Oh, she's pretty. Alrighty guys, here is the final look using this month's BOXYCHARM. I actually love this month's BOXYCHARM as well, I'm not gonna lie. It kind of shook me for a little bit, but I actually love today's look. Honestly, the thing that surprised me the most was this eyeliner from Jaune de Bleu, because I don't really like these kind of pencils. I give this box a 4 out of 5 or 4.5 out of 5 because honestly the lashes were a letdown for me because I don't think these eyelashes are like good at all. Like the packaging is cute, but it's cardboard packaging. I mean, it's cute or whatever, but these lashes are so light and simple that I personally can't use them because I am so tall. Like I'm 5'9", I'm a bigger person. They're gonna look like nothing on me. So I mean, unless you're gonna go for that natural look, I think these would be great. But if you're gonna go for something like this that's full glam, these are not good for you. Okay, everything else in this box was perfect. So these brushes, you guys, I gag. I actually really love every single one of these brushes. I am obsessed with the Precision foundation brush. I love this for the under eye, baking, brushing everything away. This duo fiber is really, really great for cream contouring. I think I really like this one. And then this taper highlighter brush is good for powder, contouring, and blush. I don't know if I would use this for highlight because it's so huge. I feel like it would just go everywhere and it's not precise enough for me to get this glow. So I like these just for different purposes than what they're labeled as. But that's with everything. You guys know that my favorite brush ever for my nose contour is a LUXIE. Oh snaps, this is like not even on here anymore. 182 brush. It's like perfect. The next thing that I am obsessed with is this palette by ALAMAR Cosmetics. It matches my shirt, like I said, and it's so cute. I used every single eyeshadow today except El Malecón. I didn't use this eyeshadow, but everything else I used on my eyes, and this eyeshadow palette is great. It looks like a sunset dream, and I love it. I love the pigmentation. This is great. Awesome. Gabby, you did a great job. This Reina del Caribe palette is so cute. I love that it's Latina based and it's like all about Latina and Cuba, and it's super cute. I love that Celia is like Celia Cruz, and I don't know really anything else. Like Tropica is so cute. Cafecito is so cute. I don't know if this is like that one from the White Chicks movie, but Coco Taxi, I think that's a song, and you know, it's super cute. I love it. Yeah. So the last thing, this lip color, oh my god. I did use the brown eyeliner for the lip liner for today, but honestly, this matches the exact same color as Curvy lip liner from ColourPop. You guys know Curvy lip liner is my favorite. This is the same. Bitch, Curvy, you know Curvy is a gloss, honey. Curvy is a gloss. And the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, I actually really like the way that it smells. It made my skin very moisturized, and it's really good. I like the way that it smells, and it's cute. It's so cute, and it's really inexpensive. It's $10 for this little one. Again, everything else I've loved except these bad boys. That's just me. Again, personal preference. You guys know, like, this is my gonna lash. Today I'm wearing Slay Lashes, and that's this month's BOXYCHARM. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It is a Saturday. Have a fun day today. Enjoy the weekend, because I'm gonna enjoy my weekend. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit subscribe, like this video, hit the post notification bell button to your phone. I will come to your phone straight directly in a notification. Do it. Thank you so much. Share this video. You guys know what to do on that part. And yeah, I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.